ఓకే సార్, స్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
Very good. Good afternoon to one and all. Welcome to the validation training program phase 1 on mixed signal design, which is conducted 26th October to 31st October 2020 by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vasireddy Venkatadi Institute of Technology. And I welcome to the participants are requested to share their experiences throughout the entire week, what they can learn. Any one of the participants, you can share your views. Participants, any one of the participants, you can unmute your mic. You can share your views.
Yeah, I find a good number of participants here. Sitarama Rao. Mr. Sitarama Rao, will you please unmute your mic and say a few words? Mr. Sharan.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, please.
This is Sitaram Rao, assistant professor from Srinidhi Engineering College. And I'm moreover a student of Dr. Bhanumurthy, sir. Sir, I'm feeling very proud to say that I'm your student, sir. And I wish to organize more number of workshops regarding this analog and mixed signal IC design, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes.
You know, you share a couple of your experiences, what you liked and what you thought we can improve.
I have learned actually while we are reading our VLSI basics, no sir. That is actually comes under elective, sir, when we are studying. But due to these workshops, I have learned the basics regarding the low power VLSI design and how to reduce the power concept to some extent. And to some extent, I have learned the layout designs by using virtual labs here. These are my experience, sir.
Right. Thank you so much. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
And I wish to organize more number of workshops related to this analog and mixed signal IC design, sir. Some current mirror concept, some band graph references, some A to D convert, some topics we are having, sir. So if you are conducting that, that will be useful for us research as well as for regular academics, sir.
Right. Would you like to add anything more, Sitaram Rao?
No, sir. Fine.
Okay. Thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you very much for participating.
Glad sir, whenever you organize a workshop, please kindly send me mail, sir. Please save it, sir.
Definitely. Sure. We have 2 more phases in the pipeline. So with VLSI as the fundamental component. So I definitely hope you will join. Okay, Sitarama Rao.
Not only this, fine, sir. Not only this VLSI, sir.
Right.
Any research topics related to communication or stochastic process are mainly.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much. Other participants, please. Those who have joined the program.
So can you share your views? Any other participants?
Mr. Sharan or Sriram, Subhashini. Ramanayudu, Raj Ramesh. Okay, let us continue, Vasu. Then we'll again ask at the end. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, next. I invite our head of the department, Dr. M.Y. Bhanumurthy Garu, to give a brief report on short-term training program on mixed signal design. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Vasu Babu. Principal Dr. Y. Mallikashini Garu, Dean of Studies Dr. Giri Babu, co-coordinator of the STTP, Mr. Vasu Babu, the faculty members of the department, and other participants from institutions and other organizations. Good afternoon to one and all. I take this opportunity to really appreciate the faculty members of our department first for rising to the occasion and making this 1 week program good learning experience for every one of us. Every team that has been assigned responsibility have done their job to the perfection. I really would like to congratulate the co-coordinator, Mr. Vasu Babu, for his leadership in coordinating with all the faculty members and making this program a success. And I do hope all the participants have gained commendable knowledge from this 1 week STTP program on mixed signal design. And we do hope that you continue to join our programs in future, because we have 2 STTPs in pipeline, and which we would like to complete by the month of November or December. So we do hope you will join the programs, encourage your faculty members, your contacts also to join these programs and expand your knowledge base. I finally thank management for supporting us throughout and encouraging us to do such programs very frequently. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your brief in the session of STTP and mixed signal design. Next, let me invite Dr. K. Giribabu Garu, Dean of Studies and convener of this short-term training program on mixed signal design, which is conducted from this week, to speak a few words on this occasion, sir. Sir Giribabu, sir.
Okay, ma. Respected Principal Dr. Y. Mallikarjun Reddy Garu, Head of the Department of ECE Dr. Y. Bhanumurthy Garu, my dear faculty and participants, a very good afternoon to one and all. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the participants of this 1 week short-term training program, that they have wisely planned and utilized their time in learning all the concepts of mixed signal design. And after 2 weeks, we will conduct another short-term training program on the same theme with more concentration on deep learning and machine learning. I request all the participants to utilize this short-term training program also. At this time, I thank and honor the acceptance, readiness, and virtual presence of the distinguished keynote speakers, resource persons who shared their invaluable knowledge. And I thank our management, Chairman Sri Vasireddy Vidyasagar Garu, Secretary Badri Prasad Garu, Joint Secretary Sri Krishna Garu, and Principal Dr. Y. Mallikarjun Reddy Garu for supporting us for the smooth conduction of this short-term training program. Finally, I would like to congratulate the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for excellent conduction of this short-term training program. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for guiding us. Next, I invite Irene to address the participants regarding the short-term training program on mixed signal design, sir.
Okay, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our respected dignitaries, Dr. K. Giribabu, Dean of Studies, and Head of Department DC, Dr. Vaimai Bhanumurthy Garu, and organizers, Vas Babu Garu, MRN Tagore, Sunil Babu, and other faculty members of our college, and the faculty members from other engineering colleges who joined this program from the beginning to the end. So once again, I congratulate all of them for participating the STTP for 1 week on mixed signal design. So I think we have learned a lot of techniques and all these things from the experts from various IITs and NITs. So they have given a very good inputs to the participants. I think that they have learned a lot of things from them, and this is not the end for the 1 week. Then you have to continue to learn the subject such that you have to do some project work or anything that then you can become expertise in the mixed signal design. As you know that the mixed signal design is an emerging technology nowadays because we have seen that there are a lot of the technology development in the processors. Right? So high-speed processors are now coming, right? So GPU, TPU, and all these things. So they are made up of with mixed signal design technology. And similarly, there's a nanotechnology we are entering, and in that there are a lot of challenges are there, and then you can meet them and you can find out the challenges, and if you do the work on these challenges, then it becomes a very great and very demanding. So therefore the subject what you learn this, and you can improve a lot, and you can do in further studies also. So once again, I thank all the participants who joined here, and also thank all the uh, resources and organizers and the participants for making this STTP program a grand success. But we want expect more number of participants that we can do some extra work such that we can invite more number of participants for this for the next coming features. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the valuable insights you have given us. Next, we thank to the resource person accepted for our STT short-term training program mixed signal design from various institutes from IITs and NITs accepting for our invitation and the resource person Dr. Pushpagiri Garu, NIT Patna, and session 1 is nano electronics for the next generation mixed signal design, and how to another resource person from Dr. Gajendra Chaudhary, IIT Hyderabad, the topic on mixed signal circuit design for ultra power applications. And next, another resource person from Dr. K. Prakash Garu, NIT Warangal. He delivered a lecture basics of CMOS analog digital RF circuits, how we can using that circuits in our real-time application. Next, Dr. Rohit Lorenzo, VIT Amravati. He can deliver a lecture on low power VLSI design, how the present technology using for the IC design for using of low power consumption. And next resource person from the industry, Mr. K. Venkatramana Rao, application design engineer from Bangalore. He can deliver a lecture on mixed signal verification, SU, UVM, VS methodology, how in the industries VLSI circuits are run and how they can implement it, he can explain clearly. And next, Mr. Venkat Swami Nandam, IIT Kharagpur, Director of Takshashila VLSI Technology. He delivered a lecture on based on physical design in chip or ASIC design flow, how the basic ASIC design flow, the total consumption of the power, how they can distribute it in different phases, they can explain in the section. And finally, today morning, a lab session, a virtual lab session conducted with the help of Apply Volt, the company, and Mr. Pradeep. He can explain how to design a simple circuit, a differential amplifier, how we can using mentor graphic tools. And these are all the resource persons taken from the different type of institutes, and as well as we can take from the industries. And I thank to all the resource persons who are accepted and delivering lectures in our STTP. And next, finally, I thank to our chairman Vaseddi Vidyasagar Garu and our principal Y Mallikarjun Reddy Garu and Dean of Academics Dr. N. Kumaraswamy Garu. Next, I thank to Dean of Studies and convener of this short-term training program Mixed Signal Design, Dr. K. Giribabu Garu, and Dr. M. Y. Bhanumurthy Garu, HOD of EC Department and coordinator of this short-term training program on Mixed Signal Design. And finally, I thank to all our department colleagues to conduct this program successfully. Thank you, and thank you all. Participants will share a final feedback link and online quiz test shared within MS Team chat box only, and you can fill that total feedback form of the entire program, as well as a quiz link is 20 multiple choice questions. There is no negative marks for this 20 multiple choice question. This is the procedure for as per norms of AICTE. We can provide a certificate. 40% of marks you can require, and 80% of attendance. And this feedback link and online quiz test link will be activated up to 4 p.m. and up to 4 p.m. we can fill out those two. And thank you the participants.
Yeah, any participant would like to share their feedback can speak for a couple of minutes. Raja Ramesh Garu.
Sir, good afternoon,
Yeah.
sir.
Good afternoon, Chappandi.
Sir, this is Raja Ramesh from MVZR College of Engineering, Vijayanagaram. Sir, for I think this is STTP-1, sir. I heard this topics. It is a very wonderful session, sir. Sir, my suggestion for the next STTP-2 and 3, you already told it is in the pipeline in the coming November and December. Sir, if possible, please conduct the STTP-2 or 3 in system on chip. It is in a complete full custom. It is in the front end VLSI design flow based, right? On how we are executing that Verilog program or system Verilog program, and we can execute in our SOC boards. SOC means SOC boards. I think we heard those who are doing their research in that areas, SOC, that is FPGA and a combination with microcontrollers. Without a Verilog or any system Verilog, using an IP course, using that IP course, we are executing the total flow. That is a system on chip. If possible, please conduct that STTP 2 or 3 in SOC. That is my suggestion, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Andy. Definitely will consider your suggestion. We'll definitely incorporate good number of sessions in our forthcoming STTPs on system on chip. Any other participants? Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right. Please share your ideas, participants from other colleges. Who would you like to Do you have any specific requirements in the forthcoming sessions for STTP-2 and STTP-3? You can share them. We'll definitely take them into consideration. Mr. Vasbab, I think you have shared the links, kada?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first link is feedback and second one is quiz, or?
Yes, sir. First one is overall feedback of the program. Second one is
Right.
quiz link, sir.
Quiz link. Okay. So both will be active until 4 p.m.
Yes.
Right. So participants, you may please fill the feedback link and also attempt the quiz for earning a participation certificate. Please fill your details properly so that we reflect them into the certificates. And yeah, if you have any further suggestions or comments, please include them in the feedback link. Okay, we'll definitely look into them. Thank you so much for joining. So please attempt this 2 and then you can leave the meeting room. I
Okay,
think
sir.
those members who are responsible for this feedback and quiz links, kindly look at the responses and then close the session. Okay, Vasu? I'm
Okay,
leaving,
sir.
yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
మాసు సార్
సార్ చెప్పండి.
రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా?
స్టాప్ చేసేయండి, అయిపోయిందిగా.
అలాగే.